One of his hot tweets is like, the worst thing about Cursor is that it lets you edit the code. So what he's saying is like, you should really lean into trusting these models and not be like getting in line by line, because that's really what's slowing you down. So there's an interesting kind of split in the, like, you know, AI thoughtfluencer community on like, do we just go toward the bolt.new replit type model where it's like, I'm just talking to you and you're doing it, and I can look at what you're doing, but by default I'm not, as opposed to Cursor where it's like 70% of your screen is like old school IDE, and then 30% of your screen is like the new genius part, where arguably it should be like the entire screen basically.
So that's actually pretty good. That's a pretty good segue, because I actually agree. Like, most of the time I want to give it some instructions and then I have it in turbo mode, because I'm like, executing those instructions could take 15, 30, 45 minutes. And so I just want to click go ahead, and I want to leave and go do other things. And then I want to come back, check where it got to, tell it, let's move on to step 2, and keep going or not.